Yes, good morning, class. Today is 11th. Today is 7th November 2021, and I want to welcome to class presentation. How was the weekend? It was a fantastic weekend. It was a sporty weekend, and those who betted for Manchester United were disappointed. Now, let me straight away go to class, take roll call, and let me call the class who are present. Brad Onyango, present. Charles Otieno, present. Gilbert Uma, absent. Now, our core unit of competency is perform lathe work, and our session title is the lathe machine part and the function. And for those who don't know me, my name is Demba, and I'll take you through class discussion. Now, by the end of the session, the learner should be able to perform the following tasks. Task number 1, explain the meaning of the lathe. Number 2, identify types of lathe. Number 3, identify parts and function of a lathe. In the previous class, we did the following. One, we talked about welding method, and we zero in on arc welding and gas welding. Number 2, we talked on types of welding joints, and we focus on lap joint and seam joint. Today, we are doing a different thing, and I'm going to ask a question. What is a lathe? Anybody who knows the answer, who can explain to me what a lathe is? Now, a lathe is a machine tool that rotates a workpiece about the axis of rotation. It performs various operations such as cutting, sanding, nailing, drilling, deformation, facing, and turning with tools that are applied to the workpiece to create an object with a symmetry about its axis. Before we explain the meaning of the lathe, that's the key point that we have to look at. One, it's a machine tool that rotates a workpiece about the axis. Two, we talk about the performance operation. That is cutting, sanding, nailing, drilling, deformation, facing, and turning. That is where you shall fully explain what the meaning of the lathe. Then, secondly, objective of the lesson is to identify types of a lathe. If you go to a workshop, commercial workshop, you'll find either of the following lathe. One, the sand lathe or hood lathe. Two, you'll find engine lathe. Three, you'll find tool room lathe, capstan and turret lathe, special type of lathe, and CNC lathe. CNC lathe are the latest type of lathe which are computerized. That is, computer control machine. Now, let's go to the third objective of the lesson. That is to identify parts of a lathe. From the slide from today morning, before you came, I shared the slides in a WhatsApp group. Kindly open and see the illustration. The first slide illustrates parts of a lathe. When you look at it, you'll find the head, or the extreme left is the headstock that contains the chuck and has got a bed. We also have a tool post that runs along the bed. We have the coolant, the tailstock, extreme right end, lead screw, feed rod, clutch, carriage, and bedrock. Now let's go to the third objective of the lesson. Now in a group of 5, kindly discuss and explain the function of the part of a lathe as shown in the slide. Now, slide number 2 indicates the parts of a lathe in details. The headstock. The headstock of a lathe is located on the left-hand side of the bed and houses the machine, spindle, selection of speed, feeds, and gear ratio. Use a simple change lever. You can mount your workpiece on the hold device like chuck or live center of the spindle. Number 2, we have a tailstock. The tailstock of a lathe is located on the right-hand side of the bed and can be moved manually on the guideway and support the long workpiece. You can hold a drill, reamer, tap, boring tools on the tailstock. Next is the illustration of a lathe carriage. It positions the lathe work and the tool, the workpiece in your lathe. Indicates the feed of the cut. The carriage of the lathe machine is assembled on the bed and you can move it parallel to the spindle axis manually or with a power locked at any position. Number 4, we have the tool post. The tool post holds the cutting tool. The tool holder is mounted on the cross slide. Depending on the design, it may be quick clamping mechanism to enable you to change the tool fast. The next slide shows an illustration of feed rod and lead screw. The feed rod of your lathe is long shaft with a keyway and transmits the power from the headstock drive to the apron gears and powers the movement of the carriage. The lead screw in your lathe allows you to cut various types of and sizes of thread. Number 6, we have the work with the chuck. The purpose of a chuck is the work holding device. Usually a chuck or a collet is mounted on the spindle. Finally, on the last slide is the lathe bed. The lathe bed has guideways that are machined very precisely. The tail sock and the carriage along with its compound slide moves on this guideway. And last part of the lathe is the cooling unit, that's the coolant. The cooling system of your lathe has a coolant tank filled with a coolant pump, and a piping to direct the flow of the coolant of the cutting area. Now, in summary, we have discussed what a lathe is. 2, we have identified the types of lathe. And 3, you are in the position to identify parts and the function of a lathe. And before the class ends, I would like to give an assignment. The assignment for today should be submitted by 18th 11th 2021, and it is this way. With the help of the well-illustrated diagram, identify the lathe attachment accessories. Thank you very much for be attentive, and the next class will be held on 19th 11th 2021. Thank you. I hope to see you in the next class.